Are you looking for a reliable car for 2025? You might already have some famous brands in mind that seem like a safe choice, but beware. Behind some well-established reputations hide pitfalls that could cost you dearly, very dearly. Today, we reveal the 9 worst car brands you should never buy. These models are synonymous with breakdowns, disappointment, and massive unexpected expenses. Stay with us until the end to discover the brands you absolutely need to avoid if you want to steer clear of regret. Number 9, Chrysler. Let's start our ranking with Chrysler, a legendary American brand that, unfortunately, no longer lives up to its promises. According to the latest studies, Chrysler has one of the worst reliability scores in 2025, with models like the Chrysler 200 and 300 plagued by mechanical and electronic issues. Imagine being stranded on the roadside because of a temperamental engine. Not ideal, is it? If you want to avoid constant trips to the repair shop, Chrysler is probably not the best option. Number 8, Dodge. If Chrysler is on this list, it makes sense that Dodge, its sister brand under the same company, follows closely. While models like the Dodge Durango have an aggressive style that appeals to many, transmission failures and electronic issues make it a real nightmare for owners. The result? Expensive bills and constant stress. Think you're saving money by buying Dodge? Think again. The maintenance costs quickly erase any perceived advantage. Number 7, Tesla. Surprised to see Tesla here? Yet it is. While Tesla's electric cars are revolutionizing the market, they also come with numerous issues. Questionable finishes, sloppy assembly, and electronic failures. Not to mention the astronomical repair costs if something goes wrong. A simple scratch can turn into a headache with Tesla. So before getting seduced by their futuristic technology, think twice. Number 6, Jeep. Now on to Jeep, a brand that sparks dreams with its rugged off-road vehicles. But behind this facade of toughness lie significant flaws. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, for example, is often criticized for frequent breakdowns and expensive repairs. Buying a Jeep is like playing Russian roulette with your wallet. Maybe you'll get lucky, but probably not. Number 5, Chevrolet. Chevrolet, a legendary American brand, also makes the list. However, certain models, like the Chevrolet Traverse, suffer from serious issues. Engine failures, transmission defects, and even safety problems have been reported multiple times. If you thought you were getting a good deal with Chevy, think again. The frustration might outweigh the initial satisfaction. Number 4, Ford. The American giant Ford isn't spared either. While the brand offers iconic models, some, like the Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid, face severe issues. With a catastrophic reliability score of 7/100, this model is far from a wise investment. Think twice before giving in to temptation. Number 3, Nissan. Next is Nissan, a brand oscillating between excellence and disasters. Models like the Nissan Qashqai are plagued by recurring problems, notably failing batteries and unreliable transmissions. Worst of all, these repairs can be incredibly expensive. Here's a tip: avoid Nissan models if you want peace of mind. Number 2, Volkswagen. Volkswagen, the pride of Germany, is not spared either. Electric models like the ID.4 have been heavily criticized for battery problems and poor craftsmanship. Imagine spending a fortune on a supposedly premium car only to spend hours at the service center. A bad bet, clearly. Number 1, Rivian. Finally, at the top of our list is Rivian, the high-end electric vehicle manufacturer. While their models are impressive on paper, owners complain about exorbitant repair costs and insufficient after-sales service. With Rivian, a simple accident can cost you a fortune. Want some advice? Save your money for a brand that's truly worth it. Why are these brands to avoid? So, why do these brands make it onto our list? The answer is simple: questionable reliability, exorbitant maintenance costs, and poor user experiences. Even though some of these brands have a great image, the reality can be very different once you become an owner. To avoid unpleasant surprises, always do your research, read owner reviews, and prioritize models known for their durability. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share your experiences in the comments. Which brand has disappointed you in the past? Tell us everything. We read every comment carefully, and your stories can help other viewers make the right choice. See you soon on GB Automobile 237, where we are committed to helping you drive smarter.